Good evening, boys and girls. Welcome back. Welcome back with the third puzzle. The third puzzle of today's newspaper on Monday. Yes, it's still Monday, June the 24th, 2024. And I've already solved two puzzles, the 3 stars and the 4 stars Sudoku. Two puzzles are left, the jigsaw Sudoku and a binary puzzle. And it's binary time now. And this one will be number 8783. And before I start, I always count the print the digits. This one is 16 print the digits. What kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 4 O's and 4 ones. Alright, so let's get started. Double 1 here, no there, no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Double here, 1 there, 1. Between the ones comes an O. 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 1, 2, 3, 4 O. So the rest are ones. Double here, 1 there, 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Between the O's comes in 1, double 1 here, no there, no. Between the O's comes in 1, between the O's comes in 1, 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's, double O here, 1 there, 1. And between the ones comes an O, double O here, 1 there, 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Between the ones comes an O, 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Double 1 here, no there, no. Between the O's comes in 1, between the O's comes in 1, 1, 2, 3, 4 1, so the rest are O's. Between the O's comes in 1, double 1 here, no there, no. Between the O's comes in 1, 1, 2, 3, 4 1, so the rest are O's. Between the O's comes in 1, 1, 2, 3, 4 1, so the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. 1, 2, 3, 4 1, so the rest are O's. Between two O's comes in 1, and 1, 2, 3, 4 1, so the rest are O's. And double 1 here, no there, no. Double check 1, 2, 3, 4. Correct in 2 minutes. Well, we solved it again. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it all solve by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the last puzzle for today, the jigsaw Sudoku. This one with 11 printed digits. Could be an hard one. We will see. Until then, bye bye for now.